again, what was really important, we lit this up to show off obviously how we can lift it in a space that maybe doesn't get much natural lighting. Starting around the kitchen, then we've got a Bora fridge in here, fully stocked as you can see, ready for our event that we're having this weekend. We've got a pair of units above, and in the two corners we were keen to demonstrate two different options in terms of how we can utilise our corner. So we've got the kidney-shaped carousel on one side and the half-moon carousel on the left-hand side, so customers can sort of see and demonstrate the different options we have available